Hello, this is Nancy from Nancy's Kitchen. This is not a complicated recipe. I do this when trying to get the family excited about an upcoming vacation or while on vacation before going to the Disney parks. All you need for this is a box of complete pancake mix, water, and a little creativity. You don't need any special molds or devices, just a frying pan and a little practice. Add any amount of pancake mix to a mixing bowl. Add water to the mix. The more water, the thinner the pancakes will be. At this point, you want to pour enough batter into the pan to form Mickey's head and two smaller pours to make the ears. This will take a lot of trial and error. Any mistakes are served on a plate to my husband. Since there were 4 of us, we had to make a lot of Mickeys. And remember, stay young and have fun.